Yeah.
Add on Harnish's point also, even in complementary industries, you see a lot of these collabs. The Mokobara and Indigo recent collab,
Yeah.
where
Yeah.
you're allowed a little more weight, which is a boon to a lot of people.
Yeah.
And also now Indigo gets standard bags, so them loading up the aircraft is faster and reduces the time taken to, so it increases their efficiency also because they're dealing with a standard size of bags and not this bag is not fitting, this bag is too heavy and all of that. And Mokobara, of course, they get their bump in revenue because of this. Apart from that, I think for a small startup and everything which has a limited budget, I think word of mouth is the best way to go, because you are building a community of clients which you want to retain, right, at the end of the day. And the best advocates for your brand, if your product is really good, are your customers itself.
I mean, I think you're creating so many mini brand ambassadors for yourself by having a good product that you are giving. I think that nothing can break that. I mean, no amount of
Absolutely.
funding, no amount of marketing can actually promote a bad product. If your product is good, if it's genuinely solving a problem, word of mouth is always gonna, take you to the next level.
And India as a market is also moving from whatever is the cheapest to more customer
Yeah.
experience and product quality and everything. So right now is the best time to capitalize on word of mouth marketing.
You know, there used to be a time when Parle G had that famous girl on her packaging.
They still
Still
do.
have, they still have.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, matlab when they started it out.
Yeah.
When was the last time you had a parley?
Yeah, it's been a long time actually. बहुत साल हो गए, 5-6 साल हो गए लगता है. But even Nirma, had that
Jingle,
girl.
yeah.
Yeah, so I think these Santoor का भी इतना famous हुआ ad because they had a very attractive jingle.
Yes.
So I think these startups with low budget, if they really come up with a smart concept like this, they don't really need to pull in celebrities and pay them, high budgeted checks. They can just play it smart by giving taglines and by working with people like him and 3 Minds. And capture the market. And I think if you're a hustler, you can pretty much do anything. Like I was hearing Ghazal Alag, वो रेस्ट रूम में जाके बाकी की लड़कियों को बताती थी, अच्छा आप कौन सी लिपस्टिक यूज़ करती हो, मामा ट्राई किया है क्या, ये लो, ये लेके जाओ, फ्री सैम्पल ट्राई करना है. एंड देन शी गोट सेल्स फ्रॉम इट, सो आई थिंक जहाँ पे भी कस्टमर देखे बेचना शुरू कर दो. और ऐसे बेचना नहीं कि ले लो मेरा प्रोडक्ट, ऐसे बेचो कि उनके एकदम पल्स पॉइंट पे क्लिक हो और उनकी नीड को सर्व करे वो आपका प्रोडक्ट.